Hello everyone, again this is Erica with Everything Home by Kesh. At the moment I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a makeover on this container. It's a metal container that I found at a yard sale, only $2, and I like the details on it, the rope that it has on each side. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start by painting it black. I didn't show at the beginning that with the black paint I added some baking soda, but I did just to make the paint thicker so it can adhere to the container. And here you see me painting it with just any brush will do. I'm not picky with it. You shouldn't be either if you come by with something similar like this. So I added it all over the place, and what I'm gonna do after it dries very well, I let it dry like for about 2 hours or so, and then I'm gonna come back and add some white paint after it's nice and dry. And after I add the white paint, I'm gonna go ahead and add baking soda to it as well. I didn't mention that. So I'm gonna add baking soda to the white paint. I'm gonna paint it white, and after it's nice and dry, I'm gonna go ahead and sand it. I'm gonna sand all the details that you see on the container. That way the black paint can come through. So it's gonna peek through, and it's gonna give it a very nice distressed, kind of like worn out container style. I really like it. So, but I wasn't 100% happy with the colors, so I ended up adding some brown wax and some ivory wax, and this gave it a very nice aged French look that I like. So yeah, I'm here just adding all that wax, and after it was nice and dry, what I did is I went to my Cricut machine so I can cut a decal. The font that I used, it was very thin, so it ended up tearing at me, so I didn't use that font. The saying was French lavender, since I'm gonna be adding artificial lavender to this arrangement. So what happened is that it tore, so I had to use another font for the middle. The one that I used was a curvy type of a font, but when I saw it, well, this is the original that I was going to use, and it came out very thin. So I ended up using this font, and it's curvy, but it looks like it's crooked, and I promise you it's not. It was supposed to be that way. So here is the artificial lavender that I added. Overall, I love the way it looks, nice and vintage. The jute rope on the side, I think it came out really great, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you do, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and go ahead and leave your comments so you can give me your opinions of what you would have done different. Thank you guys. Bye.